homemade funnel cakes. To make this state fair and food festival favorite at home, you only need a couple of special items: a pot for frying and a batter dispenser such as a squeeze bottle. The batter itself is very much like pancake batter. You'll need milk, eggs, all-purpose flour, baking powder, granulated sugar, ground cinnamon, and salt. For serving, you'll want some confectioner's sugar, and of course, you need vegetable oil for frying the cakes. To start, heat the vegetable oil to 375 degrees. I like to add some popcorn kernels to monitor the temperature because they pop at 355. While the oil is heating, make your batter. Whisk together the eggs and the milk in a large bowl. In a separate bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients: the all-purpose flour, the baking powder, granulated sugar, ground cinnamon, and salt. Whisk the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, whisking until smooth, and then transfer the batter to your dispenser, such as your squeeze bottle. When the oil is hot, drizzle the batter into the hot oil, starting in the center and working your way out in concentric circles to form a 6 to 7 inch funnel cake. Let the batter fry until it's golden brown on the first side, about 2 minutes, and then using a skimmer or a slotted spoon, carefully flip the cake and cook on the second side until it's golden brown, usually about a minute to a minute and a half more. Once it is brown to your liking, use the skimmer or the slotted spoon to transfer the cake out of the hot oil and drain it briefly on paper towels or a wire rack, and then repeat with the remaining batter. The funnel cakes are best served right after cooking, but if you need to hold them until they're all cooked so everyone can eat at the same time, put them on a rimmed baking sheet in the oven for 200 to 250 degrees until they're all ready, and then dust them generously with confectioner's sugar and serve. I hope you enjoyed this cooking video. For more recipes and videos, visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.